Today we're making the star of the entire Thanksgiving table, a beautiful, golden, juicy whole turkey that's filled with flavour from the inside out. This is the kind of turkey that makes your whole home smell like the holidays, crispy skin, tender meat, and a buttery herb aroma that fills the kitchen the second it comes out of the oven. Whether it's your first time roasting a turkey, or you've done it for years, this simple and foolproof method will give you a perfect result every single time. We begin with the most important step, preparing the turkey. First, make sure your turkey is completely thawed and remove the giblets from the cavity. Pat the turkey dry with paper towels. This is what helps the skin get crispy and golden. Once the turkey is dry, season it generously with salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and dried thyme. Don't be shy. This is a big piece of meat and it needs a lot of seasoning to come alive with flavour. Now we move to one of the secrets to a juicy turkey, the aromatics. Inside the cavity, we place chunks of onion, smashed garlic, a halved lemon, rosemary, sage, and a big handful of fresh parsley. These ingredients don't just add flavour, they steam inside the turkey as it roasts, keeping the meat moist and infusing deep holiday aroma. For extra richness, add a few tablespoons of butter right inside the cavity. Next, we make a simple but powerful herb butter. In a bowl, mix softened butter with chopped rosemary, thyme, sage, parsley, garlic, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Now carefully separate the skin from the turkey breast using your fingers. This creates a pocket where you can smear the herb butter directly onto the meat. This step guarantees that the breast stays tender and never dries out. After that, rub the remaining butter all over the outside of the turkey, legs, wings, breast, every inch. This butter melts into the skin and helps it roast beautifully. Place the turkey on a roasting rack, breast side up. If you don't have a rack, you can place the turkey on top of sliced onions or carrots to lift it slightly off the bottom of the pan. Pour 1 to 2 cups of chicken broth or turkey stock into the bottom of the pan. This keeps the environment moist and helps create delicious drippings for gravy later. Now it's time to roast. Set your oven to 325 degrees and place the turkey inside. Cooking time is about 15 minutes per pound, but the real test is the temperature. The turkey is done when the thickest part of the breast reaches 165 degrees and the thigh reaches 175 degrees. About halfway through roasting, baste the turkey with its own drippings. This adds colour, moisture, and flavour. If the skin is browning too fast, lightly cover the top with foil. As the turkey roasts, the butter melts, the herbs release their aroma, and the skin turns from pale to deep golden brown. The house fills with the smell of Thanksgiving, warm, savoury, buttery, and comforting. When the turkey is done, let it rest for at least 20-30 minutes. This step is just as important as roasting because it allows the juices to settle back into the meat, making every bite tender and juicy. Once rested, carve the turkey by separating the drumsticks, thighs, wings, and breast. Slice the breast against the grain for perfect, juicy pieces. Serve with your favourite Thanksgiving sides: mashed potatoes, stuffing, cranberry sauce, sweet potatoes, and gravy made from the drippings at the bottom of the pan. What you're left with is a beautiful, flavourful turkey that's golden on the outside, juicy on the inside, and absolutely unforgettable. This recipe brings people together, creates memories, and fills your home with love and warmth. It's more than just a turkey. It's the centrepiece of a holiday meal shared with family and friends. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more holiday dishes, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what Thanksgiving recipe should we make next?